Think you might think I'm a little crazy. I might just be, but I have some potatoes that's just sitting here. So I'm gonna put them all in the oven and make baked potatoes. And I have an issue with aluminum foil, the sound. So I'm gonna have to try to do something different. And I'll be right back. I actually don't know if I should be seasoning these things or not. So I'm just wrapping them up. And then I'm gonna put them in the oven on whatever temperature that I find it. I know tonight I'm gonna have a baked potato with parsley and butter, and I'm thinking about some sour cream or something like that. Something like that. I don't yet know which direction I'm gonna go, but I'm trying to make use of some things I have here before they go bad. And those potatoes started to look like they was asking for friendship with extended arms, legs, and things like that. You know what I mean, right? Okay, bye bye.